Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Bidredla. Let's do your reading for the month of November 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Cancer. You got Sun card. I think even in your previous readings you got Sun card. We got 3 cards. Sun, 9 of Cups and Magician. Very good. So let's take this way. Sun, 9 of Cups and Magician. Even in previous readings you got Sun card, and I told you might be Sun in Cancer. You might be having Sun in Cancer like me. Okay, I have Sun in Cancer. So it's a very good placement having Sun in Cancer, which means if you are born at afternoon 12 to 1 or something like that, 12 to 1, your Sun will be in Cancer, which is 12 o'clock, right? So people who are born in people who are born in afternoon, they will have Sun in Cancer. Okay, so you might be having Sun in Cancer, you might be born in afternoon, and then you're very happy in the month of November. Let's start from there. Okay, you're very happy, and you are very happy. Okay, and also you're very happy and you're very happy. So hat trick for happiness here. You don't need anyone. 9 of Cups, you don't need anyone. You're very happy. You can do this individual, even anything. You can do anything individually. You don't need anyone, and you'll be very happy because you have the tools, you have the ability to do that. Magician, you don't need anyone to make you happy. If you combine all these 3, you can do anything in life right now in the month of November, and you don't need anyone because you have the ability to do that, and you can make yourself happy. And Cancer is all about that. 10 of Pentacles, high five. Okay, even I'm a Cancer Sun. And rising signs, it's at the top. Okay, it's at the top. No worries. You are much more than Sun. Okay, Sun in Cancer. Rising signs is much better. 10 of Pentacles. Money is coming to you. A lot of money is coming to you. Unexpected money is coming to you. Any time when a lot of money is coming to you, it will be unexpected. Okay, it will definitely not be expected. Anytime you can see anytime. Okay, once a lot of money is coming, definitely a portion of that will be unexpected, and it will be. Okay, bottom of the deck is Daughter of Wands. I don't know why I saw this, but I felt to see. Okay, so from your siblings also you'll get money. Okay, you'll get some inheritance from your daughter also, means after marriage, after you have children, your 5th house will get activated, and definitely it will aspect few other houses and planets from the 5th house. So due to that reason also it might be. And if you need an astrological reading, I'll do. Okay, you can connect with me in social media. At the end of the reading, I'll show you a poster. You can check that out. And because about my services, Empress, you will definitely connect with Libra. You will definitely connect with Capricorn, because Capricorn got Empress card. Your best friend might be Capricorn. Okay, and you two guys will definitely help each other to grow, and because of you two guys, a lot of comfort. You two guys will feel a lot of comfort. You are comfort for them, and they are comfort for you. So in that exchange of energies, Empress card. And also you're very enjoying nature, you're enjoying life, very luxurious life, Empress card. Empress always wants luxurious things. High Priestess, you'll definitely increase your knowledge also. You might be reading a lot of books, investing in yourself, investing in knowledge. You might be watching a lot of documentaries, a lot of movies which have a lot of educational information. Okay, you might be drawn to that, and you like solving things, you like solving problems. You might be solving problems in life, solving things. You might also want to create a solution for a problem, and you also will be happy if you're the first one to do that in the world, because we can see here there is a globe. I can say a globe, right? I can say it as a globe. So you might definitely will be very, very happy if you find the solution, if you're the first one to find the solution for that problem. Okay, because everyone likes money, right? So you know that if you do that, you can definitely use that as a medium to gain money also, and you'll be an entrepreneur. You don't need anyone. 9 of Pentacles, 9 of Cups, lot of cards. Wow, goodness. Father of Pentacles, Mother of Wands, Fool card. Yeah, Fool card. You'll be traveling out. Sad Taurus won't be traveling, I guess, even though they desire, their karma is to stay indoors, I believe. But still, you are very happy being indoors, but you have to travel. Nature is like that. Empress below, Fool card. Nature is like that. It wants you to travel, okay? It wants you to step out from this branch and connect with this tree. This nature, okay? Even it is also in the tree branch, right? But it suggests nature. Empress card. Mother of Wands and Father of Pentacles. Your parents are definitely looking at you, taking care of you, noticing the things what you're doing. Fool card. This is you. They can see you as someone who is very foolish also. They can see you someone who is very immature, not very much mature, and acting foolish and taking risk in life. That is also there. They see you that way and they want to protect you. Okay, your dad is definitely looking at you, thinking how you will do in life when it comes to finances, and your mom is definitely looking at you in a way how you can take care of yourself and protect yourself, protect your life, okay, and save your life, protect your life. Okay, so yeah, your parents are definitely very, very concerned about you. And then Two of Pentacles, sorry, Two of Swords. Something is wrong today. Two of Swords. Yeah, you might be making lot of decisions in the month of November, either this or that. You might be making a lot of decisions, and there is something something is involved where you have to take a lot of decisions. Okay, because Two of Swords is making decision, either this or that, and it involves that. Okay, so in the month of November you have to make a lot of decisions, either in your career. People will be asking questions. Okay, you like this or that, or would you prefer staying at home or going outside, offline or online, like that. I have faced it. I have received a lot of Google Forms, and it's a big headache where I have to fill a lot of Google Forms, and every time they keep asking this from my college and university. I don't understand why is that. So yeah, something related to that. Okay, you have to make a lot of decisions, a lot of choices and decisions in life. If you want to do something again, you have to make a lot of decisions, either this or that. So that is something which I can see over here. Other than that, yeah, overall, if I have to finish that, you have definitely a lot of decisions, as I said. And then your parents also are very they are looking at you, what you're doing, your activities and stuff like that. And then your career will go, you will definitely earn a lot of money from here, from November. And Magician, if you make use of the things that you have. Okay, one of the best ways anyone can earn quick money is to look what they have and utilize the things what they have. Okay, once you know what you have and make use of it, that's how you can make more money. And quick way is in that way. Happiness, lot of happiness. Sun and 9 of Cups. You don't need anyone. You're a very happy being individual. Lot of money is coming, lot of luxury is coming to you. You'll feel very comfortable in the month of November. No stress at all. Not much stress is there. More than you are stressed by yourself, your parents are more stressed to you. You're not stressed when it comes to you, but your parents are more stressed when it comes to you. they're very concerned about you, you're not concerned about yourself. That's how I can keep it in a very nice way. Okay, if you do like it, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notified. If you want to watch the reading again, feel free to do that, and share it to your friends also, because even cross watchers can watch. This is your sun sign, you can watch your rising, moon, Venus, Jupiter, and Jupiter also. And yeah, other than these monthly predictions what I do on YouTube, if you want a personal reading, you can check out this poster. These are my services which I provide, and price ranges are mentioned respectively. I do daily tarot readings, I do personal tarot readings, I do astrological readings, and even life coaching. And my social media links are in the description. You can follow me on social media, you can message me in social media and connect with me like that, and I'll reach to you as soon as possible. Okay, and thank you guys for so much support, and thanks for watching. Thank you, Cancer.